Guys, I got another Matein backpack review, so let's hop right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh god, oh my god.
Hey guys, before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also check out my merch store and my Discord. Let's go. Okay guys, today's shout out is going to a guy named BME Youngvunate. Don't really know if I said that right, but guys, upload some Fortnite content, 62 subscribers, got some nice thumbnails, and now let's hop into the video. Okay, so I'm not really sure which backpack this is, but I'm just going to get a quick unboxing and see which one this is, because as I said in my last review, I got sent 3 of these, so kind of got a makeshift studio right here, got like a reading light at it. Okay. Bro, Matein is like, this is honestly the best company, no joke. Like, they're so underrated. Like, more people need, I mean, they got like the #1 bestseller backpack on Amazon because it's like 29 bucks and it has like a ton of stuff, but okay, what the heck is this? Oh, this is the travel duffel bag, as you can see right there. So let me just toss this aside. Okay, so guys, this is the travel duffel bag right here. Matein sent this over, so I'm going to leave the links down to their product on Amazon. So let's just get into the unboxing real quick. I'll probably do a time lapse of this, something like that. Toss that aside.
Here we go, Matein. I love their logo. Their logo's so nice. Hashtag Matein Life. They got all these social medias right here, guys.
So this travel bag, duffel bag, is mainly for like, you think you can use this for travel, maybe like carry-on bag on the airplane, or I think you can like do like gym, like this can be a gym bag. You can bring your shoes and stuff. Now I don't know, like, do I get to keep this thing right here? Okay, undo that. I might actually, I think this is legit, like, Matein, like, gym bag. Like this outside thing. I don't know. Do I throw this away, or do I don't know. I don't know, but I like that. It's kind of like a cinch Matein bag. Okay, so here we got the backpack itself. Now let me run through everything really quick, and then I'll get back to you guys on the specific features.
Too loud for you, motherfucker.
Hey guys, so got some use out of this thing. I took a little look at it. They do include this right here. Let me just get that in frame. So you can go like get some free wash bag. You just have to go take a picture, post it on Instagram, and you go set up an account on their website, and they'll send you a free wash bag. I don't know what a wash bag is, but sounds pretty cool. You get free stuff by ordering their products. Okay, so what I got out of looking at this was it has 3 major compartments. I'm just going to go over them really quick. Actually, maybe 4. So it's got the main compartment right here. This is where you'll put the majority of your items. Right now, looking at it, this looks a little about like maybe like a 1.5 1.25 feet in length, and then in width maybe like 10 inches ish, 10 inches to a foot. And what I like about this is it's pretty deep, so you can fill this in. It's got some depth, nice depth to it. So yeah, you can really fit a lot of stuff in here. I'd say that this compartment would be good for a lot of clothes and stuff, maybe some tech gadgets. You could fit a laptop in here, honestly, if you just put it at the bottom. Could fit some nice shoes in here, stuff like that, guys. Whatever you're bringing on your travel trip or whatever. Okay, so that's the main compartment, and then we got this little compartment here, right here. That looks good for like a sunglasses case, maybe to hold your phone glasses case, something like that. Maybe a small calculator if you're doing math. I don't know, whatever you're into. So let me just make sure this is in frame right here. Okay, so here's the next compartment. This is really cool. I haven't seen many compartments like this in a duffel bag, but This is actually this other compartment right here. This compartment right here is made for shoes, which is really interesting. You wouldn't think that they'd include this, but I think they want to market more towards like athletes and people are going to the gym maybe. And this is great for storing your shoes, honestly. Nice big compartment right here. Fit maybe 1 to 2 pairs of shoes, maybe stacked on top of one another. I can't speak. So yeah, that's a great feature, guys. Let's move on to the third compartment that we got in here, which is the actual front. We got the Matein logo, looking dope. We got this zipper right here. A lot of duffel bags will have a compartment like this. So here we go, as usual. Tons of space in here. For this, honestly, this would probably be good for like cosmetic items if you're traveling, or maybe some headphones, honestly, could fit nicely in there. Headphones, maybe tablet, small tablet, stuff like that. But overall, you can definitely jam-pack this thing. You can fit like an absolute ton of stuff in here, guys. So yeah, I'd say overall, this is great quality. And Matein really pays attention to detail. Like, they got their logo on the freaking zippers. Like, that's how much they pay attention. Straps, these are really strong, guys. I'm telling you, I'm not lying. This is not a sponsored video either, but these straps are really sturdy, guys. This thing could last a really long time. Nice and sturdy straps, adjustable straps, which is really nice. Honestly, you could wear this like a backpack. I think that's what they're getting at here, is you could kind of like wear your duffel bag as a backpack, which I never thought would be possible. Honestly, I don't know many people who wear duffel bags as backpacks, but that's a feature in this. So this thing's jam-packed with cool features, guys. If you want to take this to the gym as a gym bag, it's great for it. Great carry-on bag if you're traveling. You can fit an absolute ton in here. And it doesn't take up a lot of space. And then I guess you can hold it like this as well. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. It's very straightforward duffel bag, great for travel, great for like bringing this to the gym and stuff. You can store a lot. Lots of cool features, attention to detail, high quality. Oh, and I missed this. You can also attach this to your luggage. I'm pretty sure. I think this is a luggage strap. You do not. This, I know Matein features this on their backpacks, the majority of them. But yeah, also can put it on your luggage. This thing's amazing, guys. Go check it out. Going to be linked in the description. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications for that free shout out. Use my Fortnite supporter creator code as well. So yeah, guys, I'm going to link this below. Go check it out. It's been another episode of Life Made Easy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.